Data science is not just about model building, do you think? Is this true? Yes, that's correct. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that involves various activities such as data acquisition, cleaning and preprocessing, exploratory data analysis, feature engineering, model building, model evaluation, and deployment. The goal of data science is to extract valuable insights and make data-driven decisions based on the insights derived from the data. Model building is just one aspect of data science, and it is important to understand the entire process and not just focus on the modeling part. Data science is a broad field that involves several different activities and techniques to extract insights from data and make informed decisions. Model building is one of the key techniques in data science, but it is not the only one. In fact, there are several other important steps involved in a typical data science project that are crucial for the success of the project. These steps include: Step 1. Data acquisition. This involves collecting data from various sources and storing it in a format that is suitable for analysis. Step 2. Data cleaning and preprocessing. Data obtained from various sources is often messy and inconsistent, and requires cleaning and preprocessing to make it suitable for analysis. Step 3. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. This involves exploring the data to understand its structure, relationships, and patterns. This step is crucial for gaining a deeper understanding of the data and forming hypotheses. Step 4. Feature engineering. This involves transforming the data into a format that can be used for model building. This step is crucial for improving the performance of the models. Step 5. Model building. This involves building statistical or machine learning models that can be used to make predictions or classify data. Step 6. Model evaluation. This involves evaluating the performance of the models and selecting the best model for deployment. Step 7. Deployment. This involves putting the best model into production and using it to make predictions or classify new data. In conclusion, data science is not just about model building. It is a multidisciplinary field that involves several different steps, and each step is important for the success of the project. Model building is just one aspect of data science, and it is important to understand the entire process in order to be successful in data science projects.